previous session we saw Spring application and we know Spring what are all the disadvantages in Spring. Now we will create a new application with the Spring Boot. First I want to create a Maven project by using command line interface men archetype generate -d group id is equal to com dot spring boot demo -d artifact id is equal to spring boot demo -d version is equal to 1.4 -d archetype artifact id is equal to maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app or quick start. Any application we can do and write quick start. It's creating projects. It created a Spring Boot demo project successfully. Now this Spring Boot demo project we need to load into Eclipse. Go to file, import existing Maven projects, browse Spring Boot demo, download, finish. Yeah, it's loaded. Now we need to add our dependencies. Here we need to add first Spring Boot parent. I will explain later what is Spring Boot parent and Spring Boot what is Spring Boot starter dependencies. Now here we need to add Spring Boot starter parent. I have a document with there. I will copy and paste. Copy and paste here. This Spring Boot starter parent will manage all versions of all Spring Core and Spring Web and all those things. And now we need to add Spring Boot starter web. If we add Spring Boot starter parent, we don't need to add a version here. Here I added Spring Boot starter web and Spring Boot build plugin. I will explain for all those things in next class. Thank you.